How to fake a headache. Everyone gets headaches from time to time, and it may be tempting to fake one to get out of something you don't want to do. However, faking any illness can get you in trouble if you get caught. If you are set on faking a headache, there are a few steps you can follow to make your story believable. Part 1: Showing the symptoms. 1. Know your symptoms. You can't credibly fake an illness if you don't know what is wrong with you. If you are complaining about a terrible headache, make sure you know exactly the kind of headache you want to fake so you can explain to others what is wrong with you when they ask. If you are trying to get out of an event, make sure you emphasize how bad your symptoms are. This way, it won't seem as if it is not worth letting you skip whatever you are trying to avoid. 2. Complain about temple pain. One of the main symptoms of a headache is the pain around your temples or forehead. Hold your hands up to your head and massage your temples as you complain about the pain. You can even moan or make uncomfortable noises to drive home that you feel terrible. 3. Avoid light and noise. Light and noise sensitivity is a common symptom of a really bad headache. To fake this symptom, close or squint your eyes, appearing as if the presence of light or interruption of noise is too much for you. Avoid going into places that have too much noise or light because it would cause you too much pain if you really had a headache. Don't oversell this symptom. You want it to be believable, not cast suspicion on your actions. Make it subtle and not over the top. 4. Start slow. Most headaches don't start automatically, so start complaining about the symptoms slowly. You must be subtle about the issues that you have or it will seem like you are faking it. Start by first commenting how your head hurts a little bit. A little while later, rub your temples, complaining of the pressure in your head. Then mention that the lights and noises are bothering you. Showing the symptoms is the only way people will believe you. Part 2: Acting the part. 1. Go to bed early. If you are trying to convince other people such as your parents that you are suffering from a headache, you need to go to bed early. Those suffering from headaches are in pain, and sleep typically helps lessen the symptoms. If you aren't actually sleepy, find quiet things to do in your room that will help you pass the time until you are actually tired. Faking a headache is meant to get you out of what you don't want to do, so use this time to do whatever it is you want to do. 2. Be overly irritable. Whenever you have a headache, normal things tend to be annoying. When faking a headache, pretend that things irritate you easier than normal. React differently to those around you and get frustrated at things that normally don't bother you. This will make people think the pain of the headache is getting to you. 3. Show less energy. Being sick drains energy out of you because your body is trying to repair whatever is making you feel badly. Don't walk around with a spring in your step or act too perky. Walk slower with your head down, as if the act is too complicated because of the headache pain. Do your normal routine at a slower pace and complain about being tired. 4. Look sick. People with headaches aren't bright-faced and happy. Try messing up your hair, applying a light powder to your skin to make you look paler, or making dark circles under your eyes with makeup. If you want others to believe you have a bad headache, you need to look like you are drained and uncomfortable. Studies have shown that the way someone moves their mouth is related to the believably of sickness claims. Move your mouth less, grimacing and frowning without too much mouth movement. 5. Don't immediately get better. Headaches don't get better in an instant. If you are done with faking the headache, gradually remind people how you are feeling better. Just make sure it isn't too fast. Comment on how tired you are, which is a common side effect of headaches. This will help everyone believe your story and make it easier to fake a headache in the future.